It's okay. Thank you for your participation, Mr. Pequeña. It's okay. How about, okay, yes, we discussed about binary, this is binomial distribution, and Poisson distribution. It's okay. And let me remind you again, our classroom rules with the acronyms of math. M stands for mind your manners. A, always participate. E, try your best. H, have fun. If you name signal participate, the chat man lang sa chat box. Yung answer. Let's have the activity spot the difference. There's the mechanics. There will be two pictures flash the screen. The students will compare the pictures and they have to write in the chat box the difference they could see. Next slide, please. Presented to your class the picture and I want you to spot the difference of these two pictures. Please jot your answers. Yes, how about po Agent Desiree?
Green nga help sa baba murag nalibat ang mata.
Elves.
For part. Okay.
Ba?
There are 8 differences any class now. Yes, very good. What next? Yes, intuition po
nasa lower right ma'am, ibaba ng kanang last side kasi
Nasa ba ng noun niya?
I side mo cup
Okay.
at the
Okay, thank you.
bala
Is Puig. Yes, Kearns Patrick Morales. There are 6 left na wala pa naman.
Kuan ma'am kanang kilid pud sa ganganga ma'am anang kani bitang kakalo nga na yellow na red ang kilid kay kuan magud kanang way kalo
Asa ani ha?
Asa ba?
ubos na tayo ma'am.
I see.
Ah.
Okay, very good. Next, there are 5 left. Yes, again, Miss Kim Tricia.
kanang na ay red ma'am ibaba sabi sa tong ibaba na ho diba na yellow tas may tapat na red nasa ubos ma'am tapos sa basta ka Mr. Morales.
Yes, very good.
Kani ba?
Or left, yes, Mr. Malfarta.
Ni?
Oo ma'am, og natubag namin ma'am pero kaning narat sa ubos ma'am kaning nang o kaning tarong og nang ma'am.
Ano ba ni?
Kana.
Ana. Naku, nakatagsa ako ni. Okay, thank you. How about Chris Patrick Morales? Siya man.
Ma'am, nandun sa chat box.
Ma'am nasa left corner sa babaw ma'am.
Corners.
Dapat anang gakalo nga green then nay red kanang kuan bitaw sa pikas kay walay kanang circle nga kalo ang nasa pikas kay black ang hair then
Yeah.
Ano ba?
Okay, very good. Napabailain? Nga wala na to nakita or kanang napahat o sa right kaya no.
Asa dapita yung giingon
Yes,
kani?
again, Mr. Morales.
kanang nasa center ma'am. Nay ganganga bita kana
Yes. Kani nga sa isa is
wala then yellow og buhok.
yes, very good. Yes, Camille Caternica na pa siya answer. Dataga na matanan? Yes, Mr. Palasan. Nakay na spot.
Kuan ma'am.
Nasa upper left.
Okay, upper left.
Sibog pa, ma'am. Padong upper left, ma'am.
Okay,
Ay, sa right upper right.
upper right.
Sige. Sibog pa, ma'am.
Asa nga sibog?
Kanang bahay, ma'am, na
Kani?
taas pa, ma'am. Kanto, ma'am.
Kani?
Ma'am.
Kanay.
Di, ma'am.
Ha?
Oo, kana. Oo. Kana, doha, di sila, ma'am. Oo, kana sila doha, ma'am.
Asa?
Yes, very good.
Sakto, ma'am na.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Palasan. Yes, Mr. Morales.
Ma'am, na
Yes,
ba,
thank you so
ma'am?
much.
Babaw,
Yes.
kasi babaw ni palasan, ma'am, giingon, ma'am, kanang orange upo, then green ang kalo. Kana kapag
Yan, sumana siya, Chris. Doha to.
Nausap.
Yes, thank you.
Ma'am, na pa, ma'am.
Oh, naapa dahil. Sige, go.
Yeah, ma'am. Nasto ka, ma'am. Kanganga na. Ay, ikaw na pa na. Kanganga.
Or, di ko na, i-answer na ni Mr. Morales. Okay, thank you also for your answer, Camille Caterniga. Gian Yolanda, yeah. Ano yung answer? Okay, here's the answer, Monesia. I guess everyone participated. Okay, I will give you to Mom Teresa to start the discussion.
Okay, so good morning everyone. So today we will discuss about continuous probability distribution. So from our previous discussion about discrete to karon, we have another topic about continuous probability distribution. Okay, so what is so first, let us read the learning objectives. So may I ask a volunteer to read? Anyone?
Ko, ma'am.
Okay, sige, go.
At the end of the lesson, students are expected to enumerate the properties of continuous probability function, compute probabilities and expected values of special probability distributions, and demonstrate active participation and positive learning attitude.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Palasan. So I hope that we will achieve all the learning objectives at the end of our lesson this morning. Okay? So what is probability distribution function? So a probability function for a continuous random variable is called probability density function, or PDF. And then the PDF is the area under the density curve on an interval. There can only be probability over an interval, not at a single point. Kay, di ba ang continuous is an infinite siya, di siya point lang sa isa ka value, single point. So there is a range adto nilang duha. So later we will know about the graph, kung unsaon ba jud siya pag graph sa ato ang function. So mo na siya. Okay? Kung ang tawag sa discrete random variable kay probability mass function, ang ani sa continuous is called PDF, or probability density function. Okay? So now let's proceed. So the PDF possesses the following important properties. So you have to take note of this. First is the PDF is non-negative for all the positive values. Like f sub x of x is greater than or equal to 0. So you can't have negative probability. Okay? And then the next one is the integral of PDF over the whole given area is equal to 1. So the integral of from negative infinity to positive infinity f sub x of x dx is equal to 1. So it simply means that the total area is equal to 1. Okay? And then next is the PDF is a function that a continuous random variable takes some value between certain limits, say a and b, and is calculated by finding the area under its curve and x-axis within the upper and lower limits and b. So, mo ni siya, f sub x of x is equal to the integral from a to b f of x times x. So, mo ni siya ang atoang sa PDF function, more nga niyang forma. Okay, so let's have an example para dali na siya masabtan. Okay, so for number 1, let x be a continuous random variable whose probability density is f sub x of s is equal to 3x squared. For x is between 0 and 1. So first is we have to verify that our function is a valid PDF. And then, next is, what is the probability that x falls between 1/2 and 1? Okay? So, let's answer. So, we have to verify. Is it non-negative? So, yes. Sakto siya nga non-negative since f sub x of 0 is equal to 0 siya. And then, ang value sa ato ang x, which is 1, or pwede ra pud any, basta kay between sa 0 and 1, kuan siya, ang iyang function is greater than or equal to 0. Okay? Then, our function is 3x squared is non-negative. And then, let's also check if the total area is equal to 1. So, let's use the integration. So, the integral from 0 to 1, f sub x of x ds is equal to the integral from 0 to 1. Ato ang i-substitute ang value sa atong function, which is 3x squared times dx. And then we have to use the integral rule. So, mo ni siya na mo siya og 3x cubed over 3 is equal to, ato ani siyang i-simplify, may mo na siyang x squared. So, ato ang value sa atong x is 1, and then, ari sa lower limit is 0, is equals to x squared. So, kung ato ang value sa atong x is 1, so 1 cube is equal to 1 minus ato ang value sa atong x is 0 is equals to 1. So, it is right nga ato ang total area is equal to 1. So, yes, it's a valid PDF. Next is we have to sketch the graph first. So, we have the values here sa atong x since our x is between 0 and 1. So, mo ni siya, ato siyang i-substitute sa ato ang function. So, we get this, kaning values. And then, we have to graph, mo ni siya ang ato ang graph. So, ato ang x is 0. And then, ato ang function is 0 still. So, ani siya. And then, 0.2. And then, 0, sa ito ang function is 0.12. Ani siya. And then, follows na. Okay? So, we have to find the probability of x between 1/2 and 1. So, the probability of x between 1/2 and 1 is equals to the integral from 1/2 to 1 times atong function 3x squared is equal to, still, we have to utilize the integral rule. So, mo ni siya nga mo siyang 3x cubed divided over 3 is equal to x cubed sa ato ang upper limit, which is 1, and then ato ang lower limit is 1/2 is equals to, evaluate lang to, substitute the values, so we get 7 over 8. So, kaning probability anhing 1/2 between 1/2 and 1, so mo na siya ang probabilities nga 7, 8. Kani siya, kanang na shaded region or area. Okay? Okay, sige. So now we will have another example. Suppose that x has density function f sub x of x is equal to... do you have any questions regarding atong example 1? May I have your heart button if nakasabot ra ba sa example 1. How about the others? Okay, so thank you for the confirmation. Next, let's proceed now to example 2. So f sub x of x is equal to 3 minus 48x squared. As ang value sa ato ang x is negative 0.25 to negative 0.25 and then 0.25 and then 0 is elsewhere. So first is we have to show that x sub x of x satisfies the requirements for being a density function. And then another task is to find the probability between x between 1/8 and 5/6. Okay. So please daw kog answer and write your answers in the chat box. Is it a PDF or not? A valid PDF or not? So I will give you 3 minutes. Please try to solve. Reminder that your participation have additional points. Okay, so niingon si Mr. Glenn Kalakat nga yes ma'am. So it's a valid density function. So kay equal siya 1. Okay, ang iyahang total area is equal to 1 and then it is non-negative. Okay, so thank you Mr. Kalakat. Okay, so the value of our 3 minus 48x squared ranges from 0 to 3. So kung atoan ni siyang substitute ni atong value sa atong x, which is from negative 0.25, so mo equal siya 0, and then if ato ang i-0 ang value sa ato ang x, mo imo siyang 3. So it ranges as well as kung 0.25 ato ang i-substitute ari sa ato ang x, still mo answer siya og 0. So it ranges from 0 to 3. Thus, f sub x of x is non-negative. Aside from that, the total area of our function, of our integration is equals to 1. So do you have any questions? Okay. May I have your heart reaction? Okay, sige. Let's proceed. So for B, let's sketch the graph first. So we have here the values. It could be anything ani sa tong x class ha. Basta kay it falls between negative 0.5 up to 0.25 based sa tong range. Okay? So by substituting the values of our x, so mo ni siya, and then here's the graph. So mo ni siya to ang graph. So it forms a curve. Okay? And then ang ato ang integral mo ni siya. Since the value of our 5 ay di ba tong kuwaon na to ang iyahang probability sa probabilities sa 1/8 and 5/6. Di ba ang value sa 0 ay sa 5/16 is 0.3125. So nang lapas siya sa ato ang range nga 0.25. So atong buhaton ana is since nilapas man siya ang ato ang range kay tama naman sa 0.25. Tama na sad siya sa ato ang upper limit nga 0.25. So ato siyang ibutang sa ato ang upper limit nga 0.25 instead of katong value aning 5/16 which is 0.3125. Okay, understood? May I have your action? If nakasabot ra ba nga adto ra jud tama ang atong ranges. Okay, thank you so much. So mao ni siya the integral from 1/8 to 5/16, 3 minus 48x squared times dx is equal to the limit from 0.125 to 0.25, 3 times 3 minus 48x squared dx. So, mo ni siya, na-verify na since f sub x of s is equal to 0 for x is greater than 0.25 man. So, mo to siya. And then, still, ang ato ang i-follow ang integral rule. So, nakakuha ta og 3x minus 48 times x cubed over 3 is equals to, ato siyang i-simplify, we get 3x minus 16x cubed sa ato ang upper limit which is 0.25 at ang lower limit is 0.125. And then, substituting the values sa 0.25, ano siya, 0.75 minus 0.25 minus sa ato ang x nga values which is 0.125. So, 0.375 minus 0.03125. So, ato siyang i-evaluate. So, nakakuha ta og 0.15625. Okay? So, questions? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, silence means yes. So now, let's proceed to cumulative distribution function. Please read. Na mo volunteer. How about na mo volunteer? How about Gian Galentes? Please read.
Okay. Cumulative distribution. If x is a continuous random variable distribution, f sub x of x, then f sub x of x equals the integral from negative infinity to x. Is f sub x times t, then d times t. Kasi the f of f sub x of x is the area under the PDF from negative infinity to x.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Gian. Okay, so same ni sila sa PDF, but ang difference lang anhi niya is ang iyang upper limit is tama din siya sa x. And then kung mulapas magud siya adtong value sa ato ang murag taas na bitaw sa ato ang range which is for example x is between 0 and 1, mura siya mo freeze na ang iyahang graph. So from ninga na to ato ang kuan, mo freeze na siya. Okay, so let's try to view. For example, sige. Let's return to the example in which x has the density function of f sub x of x is equals to 3x squared, which is x is between 0 and 1. So, our CDF of x is, ato ara siyang i-substitute sa ato ang kuan formula, which is f sub x of s is equal to the integral from 0 to x 3t squared times dt is equals to 3t cubed over 3. Kanya ato ara siyang evaluate, i-simplify is equals to 3t where ato ang upper limit is x and then ang atong lower limit is 0 is equals to x cubed. So it starts from 0, ends at 1, and it grows as x increases. So mo ni siya tong piecewise function. So, if 0 daw, 0 if ato ang x is less than or equal to 0. And then x cubed if, based sa ato ang anhing computation, is between 0 and 1. And then 1 if the value of our x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, let's have a graph para masabtan. Okay, so muna siya, the graph of f sub x of s is shown beside. So, by substituting the value of our x katong sa ato ang example 1 sa PDF, so di ba nga nitong forma? So, ani dapita sa 1, di ba ni enter siya between 1 mo to siya ang x cube. And then, ang values adto magkaanam og kataas ang x, which is, for example, ang iyang x value is 0.2. So, di ba 0.12 ang iyang function value adto. Next is ang 0.5, which is kalimat ko basta as x mo dako mo, it increases also the value of our kuan function. So magkaanam ni siya kasaka nga na, and then it stop na ani mo freeze na siya ani kay tama naman atong ranges sa 0 and then 1. So ngana siya ang CDF. Okay, so next is our expected value. So the expected value of continuous random variable is computed as e of x is equals to the limit from negative infinity to positive infinity times x f sub x of x dx. So mo ni siya ang formula sa ato ang expected value. So our expected value, which is our mean, is the center or the average of our continuous random variable. So let's have an example. So find the expected value of the density function f sub x of x is equals to 3x squared, wherein our x is between 0 and 1. So we have to substitute sa ato ang formula ang e of x is equals to the integral from negative infinity to positive infinity x times x f sub x of x dx is equals to ato ang values atong upper limit, which is 1, and then ato ang lower limit, which is 0, times x times ato ang values atong f sub x of x, which is 3x squared times dx is equals to the integral from 0 to 1 3x cubed dx is equals to, utilize or use the integral rule. So naatay result nga 3x to the power of 4 divided by 4. Sa ato ang limit, sa ato ang upper limit, which is 1, and x equals 0 sa ato ang limit is equals to 3 over 4. Try daw og solve og same ba sa inyong answer sa calculator. And then please go write in the chat box if sakto ra pa. Or basin lahi na sa answers. Okay, so thank you so much, Glenn, for the confirmation. Okay, so now same na sad sa ato ang variance e of x squared is equals to, ato ra siyang e squared ang ato ang x, so still the same but squared ato ang x. So nakuha tag the limit from 0 to 1 3x to the power of 4 times dx is equals to, same nga follow ang follow ang rule sa ato ang integral. So nakakuha tag 3x to the power of 5th over 5 tas atong value sa atong upper limit, which is 1, and then sa lower limit, which is 0. So nakakuha tag 3/5. So please sad ko o confirm if sakto ba ang result. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Puig. Okay, so do you have any questions? Namoy questions. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I guess nakasabot ra mo sa ato ang discussion this morning. Okay? So now we will have an assessment. So by individual ni siya, palihog lang ko og suwat sa yellow pad, one whole yellow pad. And then isa ra ni ka buok but duha ka inyo ansiran. Isa ra ka situation and then duha inyo ansiran. And then for your assignment, work on your midterm project. So mora to siya tanan. And then for the remaining time, please work on your assessment. Okay. So what na may questions? Class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Kung sa'yo pasabot ni mo, ano nga ang sirap, ma'am?
Ay katurang
Sa number 1.
katong A o B. Like isa lang situation then A and B. Duha ka buok ang ansiran. Okay, so sige, no more questions. Same ra gyapon ang pagpas. Idungan lang palihog sa katong ato ang activity last Tuesday. Idungan lang to pohon inig ato sunod nga face-to-face class. So, no more questions. Okay, we will end na. Okay, so let's have a photo opportunity. Please turn on your cameras. Saan ba ni siya pag... Wala, unsaon ni siya. Unsaon ni siya pagtanan, ha? Wala, unsaon ni siya pagtanan. Ay, sa class ka di ko kayo kung saan pagtanan. Kasi naka-laptop. Sorry. Di siya butanan. Kuan na siya, Ari. Saan man yun? Kaya kung saan pagtanan. Kani, makit-an like. Saan man siya, ha?
Sa Zoom na siya?
Di, kuan ka ng sa Gmeet. Saan man siya pagtanan, ha? Ay, kinsay naka-laptop, please daw ko ka ng picture sa palihog kay kuan. Dili man siya mo kuan. Mutanan, Ari. Di ko kay baw. Mamalihog ko class kasi naka-laptop.
Ako na lang your...
Ay, sige. Okay, Mercy. Thank you.
Please, open sa cam. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Another one. Oh, manang post nila, oy. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay.
Waki.
Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, class. Goodbye.